Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel Trupti's Revived Nutrition. First of all, I would like to thank to all my viewers who really motivated me, liked my videos and appreciated them. We as a family have achieved 100 subscribers. Though it is not a big deal, but it's a great achievement for me because I really enjoy small achievements in my life and be happy. Yeah, so thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. Thanks and gratitude to all who have subscribed my channel and also to those who haven't subscribed yet, but I'm sure after hearing this video they will definitely press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the instant updates and notifications. Yeah, so I'm sure everybody is doing great. We will be having another topic discussion today in this video. So tell me, when I was making the videos, many of my colleagues, friends and viewers told me, Trupti, when are you going to talk about belly fat? We really want to know how we can lose belly fat. Even many of my clients actually ask me, I am fit and fine, but the only thing what I want to lose is my fat on my abdomen, fat on my thighs, fat on my hips, fat on one particular area. Yeah. So many of them say I am really healthy, but only thing is I want to lose the fat from my love handles. Only thing is I want to lose, get this tire on my abdomen down. So tell me, how many of you really want this? I'm sure most of you, right? So carefully listen to this video and you will really get your answer. Before we move on, ask question to yourself, is spot reduction really possible? Give thought to this question. Think twice. Is reducing fat or flabby stomach is possible without altering the entire body? Well, we will be discussing the same in this video. Let me give you a very simple example. There is a tub of water, okay? एक पानी से भरा हुआ tub है, and I tell you to remove 1 cup of water from the right corner. मतलब right corner से आप एक कप पानी निकालिए. So you remove it. उसके बाद what will happen? मतलब right corner से पानी का level कम हो जाएगा या फिर पूरे tub में से पानी का level कम होगा, right? The water level will go down from the entire tub, right? Not only from the right corner. The same way, when you want to lose fat, you cannot target actually one particular area. You will be losing fat from your overall body. And sometimes even after doing everything, even still you have a little bit of fat on your abdomen. Sometimes it is genetically linked. It is because of your genes. It actually runs in your family. So take a look at that parameter also. When we are young, we actually have more muscle mass. When we are teenagers, we have more muscle mass and we do a lot of physical activity, and in spite of eating a little bit haywire food or a junk food also, we still do not put a lot of fat. But after the age of 25, the muscle degeneration starts in the body. The muscle mass starts getting low. And also our lifestyle changes. We move on to more sedentary lifestyle. We work for 10 to 12 hours at a stretch, no exercise, no good pattern of eating, the sleep is less. So that is why this is also one of the reason of putting on fat on entire body or one particular area. So let us understand what is the science behind this losing fat from your body or losing fat from one particular area. There are 2 hormones in the body. I mean, obviously there are many hormones, but 2 hormones plays a role in this: insulin and glucagon. Insulin, I'm sure everybody must have heard about this hormone related to diabetes, right? Insulin is a hormone which actually maintains your blood sugar levels. Insulin is also responsible for transporting your nutrients from the blood to the liver and muscles. मतलब आप जो खाना खाते हो, डाइजेस्ट होता है, एब्जॉर्ब होता है, एसिमिलेट होता है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स ब्लड में होते हैं वो इंसुलिन ट्रांसफर्स इट टू द लिवर और मसल, और वहाँ जाके वो स्टोर होता है और बाकी का जो फंक्शन होता है वो आगे होता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज it transports the nutrients to the liver and muscles, right? How it maintains the blood sugar level. So if when you eat a high carbohydrate meal, which we Indians usually have, excess carbohydrate, the carbohydrates gets converted into sugar and it is there in the blood. The insulin hormone brings that blood sugar level to a normal level and maintains it. Otherwise क्या होगा, आपका शुगर बहुत बढ़ जाएगा या तो शुगर बहुत लो हो जाएगा. That is why the diabetes लोगों में ये नहीं होता है, because their insulin hormone is not functioning properly. Ideally insulin का ये काम है, right? Same way glucagon is a hormone which do the reverse. Glucagon also maintains the blood sugar level, बट जब आपके बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट लेवल कम हो जाता है, जैसे आप फास्टिंग कर रहे हो या बहुत देर तक आपने खाना नहीं खाया है, 7-8 hours you have not consumed your food, what happens is the sugar level goes down, right? Blood sugar level goes down. So to avoid you getting into hypoglycemia, the glucagon maintains the blood sugar levels. बट हाउ ग्लूकोगोन डू दैट, मतलब ग्लूकोगोन कैसे करता है ये? ग्लूकोगोन जो आपका एक्स्ट्रा शुगर होता है बॉडी में, मतलब आपके बॉडी में यूटिलाइजेशन होने के बाद वॉट एवर इज रिमेन्ड एक्स्ट्रा, दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लाइकोजन. द कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लाइकोजन एंड स्टोर्ड इन 3 places. One is liver, second is muscle and third is converted into fat. फैट सेल्स में स्टोर हो जाता है. So जब when there is a low sugar in the body, the glucagon takes the glycogen from the liver and maintains the blood sugar. मतलब वो liver से पहले यूज कर लेता है. Muscle glycogen is kept for emergency by the body. मतलब when you do a very high physical activity, intense physical activity like जैसे running हो गया, weight lifting हो गया, muscle glycogen उस time के लिए reserve करके रखता है body, right? So muscle glycogen is stored for that time, so it is not used. It is used only during that period. So the third comes is fat. So once the liver glycogen is used, the glucagon moves toward the fat cells. The fat cells is broken down, the fatty acid is released in the blood and it is used as a source of energy for survival. So this is how insulin and glucagon works to maintain your blood sugar levels. There are usually two hormones in the two types of carbohydrates. Simple and complex. We all are aware about it. Simple carbohydrates are like white bread, white rice, junk food, maida, sugar. These are the simple carbohydrates which easily converts into sugar and raises your sugar levels, blood sugar levels. Complex carbohydrate takes time to release in the blood and slowly increases your blood sugar level. So what you need to do to lose your fat from your body, to lose fat from your particular area of the body, you have to consume moderate or restricted amount of carbohydrate in your meal. ठीक है, जब आप moderate amount of carbohydrate consume करेंगे, what will happen is the body will go into deficit mode. मतलब अगर carbohydrate का level कम है, so what will happen, the pancreas will be stimulated to generate glucagon. मतलब आपका glucagon हार्मोन वापस पिक्चर में आ जाएगा. So glucagon will do the same thing. पहले वो liver glycogen यूज करेगा, फिर वो muscle glycogen is stored and then fat will come into the picture and then fat will be broken down to release the energy and help your body with the energy for survival. So this is how. So अगर आपका carbohydrate intake कम है, if you're having a low carbohydrate, not low, very low, a restricted amount or a moderate amount of carbohydrate with good proteins and fat, it will help you to reduce your fat from your body. But we Indians have a huge amount of carbohydrate in the overall day. Our main meals are mostly of carbohydrate and that is the reason the extra sugar is converted into fat and we tend to deposit more amount of fat in the body. Yeah, I hope you agree with me, and that is one of the most must reason for increasing fat in the body. Yeah, so we have to work on this picture. We have to work on that we have to maintain the diet along with the exercise to reduce the fat from your body. So spot reduction ideally doesn't happen because the God has given you the body as a whole. Okay, मतलब when you took a birth, you didn't took a birth like आज 2 limbs generate, मतलब you the mother delivered 2 limbs, फिर थोड़े दिन बाद stomach deliver हुआ, फिर थोड़े दिन बाद head deliver हुआ. The body came as a whole, right? So that is why you cannot lose fat from one particular area. Yes, if you are working on I have seen many people in the gym saying trainer ko, you give me abs workout more, I want to lose belly fat. You give me a thigh workout, you give me a leg workout more to lose that fat from that area. But if you are focusing more on one particular area, definitely you will strengthen the muscle on that area. You will tone the muscles. But reducing fat from one particular area, working on that only will not help. Suppose 7 days in a week, 6 days you are doing only abs exercise and you want to see after 1 month losing abs, it will not happen. It will give you a stronger muscles, stronger core muscles, but not losing fat from that area. Yeah, I will give you a simple example with a little bit of common sense in that. We all, I'm sure we'll agree on that. If spot reduction is possible, we would have a very slim fingers with no fat, fingers and thumbs, right? Because we all the day keep doing texting and typing, right? Mobile pe typing, texting chalu hi rehta hai. So what will happen is, obviously we should by the time we should have a very slim fingers, but we don't have. We have the same thing like as before. So same way, अगर आप abs workout किए जा रहे हो, so how you are expecting to lose only the fat from your abs? You will be losing fat from your overall body, right? So if you go for a holistic approach, go for a healthy lifestyle, which should include a moderate diet, which should include exercise, combination of your strength exercise, cardio exercise, or yoga for flexibility. Your good sleep, stress management, and definitely a hormonal balance, because as you see, hormones are responsible for accumulating fat and deleting fat from your body. So hormone balance is very important in your body. I'm sure this cleared your myth or misconception about spot reduction. Open your eyes. Nothing is impossible. It's not like that you will not be able to lose your belly fat, but do not target completely on that. Work out the whole body, do a combination of exercise, and you will definitely see the great difference. Only thing is, you have to be more dedicated and consistent with what you are doing. The diet and exercise cannot be only for 2 months and the rest 6 months you are just sedentary. You will not be able to see the difference. You have to be consistent and completely dedicated towards it. With the short breaks here and there is absolutely fine. Yeah. So I'm sure you like this video. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please post in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because many more such interesting videos are coming, and hit the bell button so you will be able to get notification and hear my video very first. Yeah. If you have any questions, please post in the comment box. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram handle, which I will post in the description box. Yeah. Till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough, and sleep deep. Thank you so much. Have a great day.